Okay, so we're on Second Road at the moment, and I'm not sure how long this has been here, but I just spotted it today, and it looks fairly amazing. So we just go down here, and bump, 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 and there we have it. Look at that. We've got a jumbo. Now, I'm impressed with that. That is pretty amazing to me. I can actually land an aeroplane on my own, and I've done it in a bit of a short space one time in desperation, but I've never would have imagined they could have landed that here. They must have had full power and all the brakes on at the same time and hovered down. And it's odd because it doesn't look as though it's been stuck back together, but I think it has. Okay, and this is going to be an international food street when it gets going. That's good. Let's go for some international food later. Now, here we are. We're on Second Road, and we're just at Soi Six, which apparently is a notorious road full of dancing girls, and we shall see. Okay, it's a little bit bumpy here. So what have we got here? Oh, here's Mod's Bar, and there's O Bar. Moving on through the bumps, bump, 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 bump. Ah. Okay, settling down. There's Club 6 Coffee, Sexy in the City, Exotica, Ambition, Offshore Bar, Roxy, the Queen Victoria, there it is in all its glory. Okay, Foxy Bar, Playgirls, No Girls, Jimmy Max is a great place. Pop in there for a breakfast, good to go. And then what do we have here? Ruby Club. Oh, Ruby Club, they've got some good graphics at Ruby Club. That's really good. And then Lust, Butterfly, Kawaii, Where Angels Play. Where's Timmy? Not here, obviously. Holy Bar. We love Soi Six, Pussy Club, Duke, Nature, Wicked, Jumble, Repent, Playpen, Ninth Wish, Toy Box, Tony's Toy Box, Sandcastle, Cooters. What else have we got here? Lucky Love, Wet Six, Seduction, Sandman, Passion, Envy, Avarice, Wrath, La La Land, and then Mama Calf. Mama Calf's a good one. They do good food there. Pizza or food, anything you like. I'm about to be run off the road by a lady there. Okay, and here we are. We've just arrived at Beach Road. I'll have to stop and see what happens here. Okay, I don't know what that is. It looks like you can come here and get your injections. I'll check that out tomorrow. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.